Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change recycle bin icon to PopCat recycle bin icon. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So in this video description, I give you a link. You simply need to download a RAR file and then you need to show more options and click on extract here. So you can see that you extracted the file. Then you need to click on this icon and click on settings. Once you go into the settings, you simply need to click on personalization and then you need to click on the theme icon, and here you need to click on desktop icon settings, and here you need to select the recycle bin and click on change icon and click on browse, and then you need to go onto the desktop and you select and click on OK and apply, and then you need to click on OK. So let me show you. So you can see that my recycle bin icon is now changed. So this is the process by which you can change recycle bin icon to PopCat recycle bin icon. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.